Traffic is king. We make money from traffic, we monetize traffic, and we get conversions from traffic. Without traffic, no online business can exist. What if we help you drive massive amounts of traffic every single day? And not just that, what if we also give you the tools and resources to convert and monetize this traffic for a 100% passive income? You see, millions of people search for free-to-use tools every single day. We can name some popular free-to-use tools which millions of people search every single day: Word Counter, Case Converter, Text Binary, Time Converter, Online Flip Image Tool, JPEG to Ping, Image to PDF, Image to Doc, PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF, etc. Let me show you proof. Imagine if you owned these WebTool sites. These WebTool websites with free-to-use tools bring 2 to 110 million visitors every single month. Let me ask you, what would you do if over 2 to 110 million visit your website every single month? I know the results were going to be absolutely mind-blowing, but we need to accept the truth. Creating a WebTool website is a daunting task because it takes time to build a site from scratch. You need to spend huge money on hosting, domain, freelancers, writing blog posts. It requires complicated web design skills. It needs huge research time plus working time to learn coding skills and develop online tools for your WebTool websites. It's even not easy to rank your websites on search engines. What if there's a brand new groundbreaking software that creates completely automated and done-for-you WebTool websites instantly, loaded with 60-plus online free-to-use tools used on a daily basis in just a click? It's all thanks to SiteTool Pro app. First-to-market one-click app creates a completely automated WebTool website in less than 60 seconds. Instantly loads 60-plus online free-to-use tools used on a daily basis in just a click. You can sell your visitors your own products or affiliate offers, place banner ads, generate income with AdSense, Propeller ads, and so much more. You're just 3 clicks away from making this your reality. Step 1. Log into SiteTool Pro cloud-based app. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. Watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated WebTool site in less than 60 seconds. After you pick up your copy of SiteTool Pro, you can have a fully functional WebTool site loaded with 60-plus free-to-use tools used on a daily basis and high-quality content that's optimized for search engine rankings. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then SiteTool Pro is the shortcut you've been searching for. It's only fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. First movers can take unprecedented advantage of this sophisticated technology. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the event that you don't make unprecedented profits with WebTool for a cost equivalent to your morning coffee and bagels, then we assure you a complete refund. Simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. SiteTool Pro will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get SiteTool Pro for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.